The Ethereum institutional takeover is a decade call. In the coming 5 to 10 years, ETH either runs the rails or gets undercut. Here are the 3 possible scenarios on Ethereum's future to help us think in probability. Base case, 55% of chance happening. Ethereum becomes the settlement plus stablecoin plus tokenization flywheel. Stablecoins get a US federal framework and expand as payment rails, led by Ethereum and its layer 2s, capture a big share of issuance and settlement on chain. RWA tokenization scales from today's $24 billion money markets, funds pushing recurring on-chain flows. For example, BlackRock's BOIDL in the low billions with Ondo institutional share rises as spot ETFs grow. If Ether staking ETF gets permitted later, demand deepens as a bond-like wrapper. Supply dynamics, ETH supply likely hovers near flat over long horizons, so expect tighter scarcity in high usage period. Final implication of a base case, higher highs across the cycle with calmer averages between big events, yet occasional drawdowns when ETF or mandate flows flip. A bull case, 25% of chance happening. Ethereum staking ETF and global institutions follow. This will be a huge move as US and EU banks tokenize balance sheet assets at scale, bringing the next 50-100 million users onto layer 2s. Final implication, ETH turns into digital settlement oil. With durable fee burn plus a yield vector, a multi-trillion-dollar on-chain volume supporting a structurally higher valuation range, Ethereum becomes one of the most valuable assets on the planet. Bear case, 20%. Cheap data, policy flip-flop. If alternative data providers like EigenLayer start a price war, Layer 2 costs drop faster than Ethereum can make money from fees. Risky lending, reuse of staked ETH could cause a big shock. Governments could suddenly change the rules. Key implication of a bear case would be ETH underperforms faster, vertically integrated L1s like Solana, repeated 50% plus drawdowns, a likely path over coming 5 years. Ethereum will probably keep making higher highs, helped by regulated stablecoins, token assets, and L2 growth, with potential staked ETFs bringing in new demand. How far it goes depends on regulations and its product features. Nevertheless, we are witnessing a once-in-a-lifetime transformational period in the financial history.